Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. I'm going to show you all how I'm going to do bitter gourd fry. What is bitter gourd? You have to wash it. The bitter gourd is cut with the seed. You do not have to take out the seed. So now I am taking out this bitter gourd. Now I'm going to put the chili powder. Put 2 spoons of this chili powder. Okay. Put this cumin powder, 2 spoons. Then you put in a little bit of this chicken powder. 2 spoons of this chicken powder. Then you have to add in ginger paste. You have to put 2 spoons of this ginger paste. Then you have to add in flour. 1. Okay. Add in a bit of this breadcrumbs. White breadcrumbs. Add in a little bit breadcrumbs so it will never stick. Now you have to add salt. Add salt. A bit of butter. Okay. Now we mix it. You have to mix it until the bitter gourd is all mixed. Two packets of oil inside. Now you have to wait for the oil to get hot. After the fry, I will put curry. This curry leaves can be eaten. Now we have to see whether the oil is hot or not. Just put in 1. Okay, now we can add it. Now the bitter gourd is frying. So meanwhile, when it's frying, we add in the curry leaf. Let it fry together. Now the bitter gourd is crispy. Test and see whether it's crispy or not. When the bitter gourd has come up, then we can dish it. Okay. When the bitter gourd, when you fry, when everything is up, that means we already can dish it out. Okay. All we can